Hi everyone. If you love sketching, imagine being able to turn any sketch into a 3D render or realistic image using AI with just a few clicks. Check out this result. Let's get started. I included this website link in the description. On the home menu of Prome AI, you'll find a gallery of AI-generated images created by others. You can use these as reference images to inspire your creations. Now, click on the AI Tools section, where you'll find various AI features. Today, we're focusing on sketch rendering, a tool that turns your sketches into realistic renders or illustrations. Here, you can see the new interface. The first step at the top left is to upload your sketch. You can even quickly upload images by drag and drop them anywhere. The upload time will depend on your internet speed. Once it's uploaded, you'll see a prompt box below where you can describe your sketch or specify the result you're aiming for. If you want to use a reference image, click on that option. This lets you upload another image to guide the colors, lighting, and style of your sketch. For example, I'm selecting a forest with sunlight filtering through the trees as my reference for its quiet and calming atmosphere. Next, you can select the style for your final image. I'm choosing natural, which adds a serene and organic feel. After that, click on Scene, where you can select the one you better. I choose the landscape design and select countryside. Next, you can select the mode that best fits your vision. You'll see a creativity level option. A higher creativity level will make the result more artistic and unconventional. Keep in mind that a higher setting might stray from your original design, so I've set to 44. Scroll down to fine-tune the artistry, and just below that, you can select the perspective or apply various lighting effects to your image. You can also adjust how many images you want to generate. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Generate. Prome AI will create images for just 0.3 credits per generation. After the image is generated, you can choose from the available options. I'll pick the one that looks best. I can select this image. Check out the before and after comparison. Before, after. It's incredible how much the AI can elevate a simple sketch into something extraordinary. After that, click on Edit. You'll see other tools on this website that you can use. If you're happy with the image, click Download to save it to your device. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video for more great content.